Welcome back to our channel. BMW is reimagining the ultimate driving machine for the electric age, and the revolution starts from inside. Debuting at the end of 2025, the first all-electric SUV on the groundbreaking Neue Klasse platform will introduce a radical new user experience. This upcoming X-Class model, the spiritual successor to the iX3, eliminates the traditional dashboard, replacing it with a vision for the future, one where information is seamlessly integrated with your view of the road, starting a new chapter for BMW's iconic interior design. The centerpiece of this transformation is the BMW Panoramic iDrive, a stunning 3D heads-up display that stretches from pillar to pillar. By eliminating the traditional gauge cluster, BMW projects all essential data directly onto a narrow black strip at the bottom of the windshield. This includes your speed, driver assistance status, navigation cues, and state of charge. Unlike conventional HUDs, this display is visible to the driver and front passenger. Christian Bauer, BMW's head of UX, notes, "This design helps drivers make quicker decisions." The system integrates augmented reality, layering navigation directions over the real world. For instance, your intended path glows green when using driver assist. This technology doesn't require a special, expensive windshield. A unique film ensures the 3D images are crisp, projected onto standard black print. Complementing the windshield display is a new rhombus-shaped central infotainment screen. It offers a more customizable interface where users can drag and drop frequently used apps or pixels into main boxes for immediate access. BMW plans to introduce its own app store, potentially offering paid feature unlocks. This system is powered by sophisticated AI. Edge AI learns your habits, proactively suggesting features. If you always engage sport mode on a specific winding road, that option will pop up. It also uses large language models to make its class-leading voice assistant even smarter. You can now use natural language for complex requests, like asking it to find a charging station located close to a grocery store. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Now let's get back to the topic. This futuristic interior features a reimagined steering wheel, incorporating more haptic buttons under a single piece of plastic. These controls light up when active and provide tangible feedback when pressed, allowing easy use without looking down. This minimalist aesthetic is a very bold step for a brand whose drivers cherished classic gauges. While some on BMW's board were initially concerned, Chief Technology Officer Frank Weber is confident in the new direction. He argues it's not simply a screen, but an augmented reality layer, creating a deeper connection between the driver, the car, and the road. With a dashboard on the windshield, an intelligent central screen, and a haptic steering wheel, BMW is crafting a new driving environment. This comprehensive technological leap, anchored by the all-electric Neue Klasse platform, signals the dawn of a new era for the brand, set to arrive at the end of 2025. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.